Judge in Diddy trial reveals when jurors will start deliberating. The trial of music mogul Sean Diddy Combs has entered a critical phase, as the presiding judge has officially announced when the jury will begin deliberations in the high-profile case. After weeks of testimony, legal arguments, and public scrutiny, jurors are now poised to decide Combs' legal fate. During a morning session at the downtown Los Angeles courthouse, Judge Maria de Leon stated that the jury will begin deliberations on Wednesday, June 19, immediately following closing arguments from both the prosecution and the defense. The judge emphasized the importance of a thorough, unbiased assessment of the evidence and reminded jurors of their responsibility to reach a verdict based solely on the facts presented in court. This case has garnered national attention, but your role is not to consider media reports or public opinion, Judge de Leon told the jury. You must deliberate strictly within the framework of the law and the evidence shown during this trial. The charges against Diddy, whose legal name is Sean Combs, stem from a series of allegations ranging from unlawful surveillance and coercion to more serious claims involving physical and emotional abuse, primarily from former employees and associates. Though the defense has strongly denied all allegations and sought to discredit witnesses, the prosecution has presented an array of testimonies, documents, and video evidence that they argue point to a pattern of misconduct. Throughout the trial, the courtroom has seen several emotional moments, including a surprise testimony from a former bodyguard and a dramatic cross-examination of a key witness. The prosecution maintains that Combs used his power and influence to silence accusers and cover up wrongdoing. Meanwhile, the defense team argues that the entire case is built on unreliable testimony and unsubstantiated claims. Combs, 55, has appeared stoic during most proceedings, flanked by his legal team and occasionally nodding to family members seated in the gallery. His representatives have reiterated his innocence, claiming that he is the victim of a targeted campaign to destroy his reputation and legacy in the music industry. With closing arguments set for Tuesday, courtroom observers expect both sides to deliver their most compelling summaries of the evidence. Legal analysts suggest the outcome may hinge on a few key witness statements and whether the jury finds them credible. The judge confirmed that jury instructions, the formal legal guidelines jurors must follow when deliberating, will be issued late Tuesday afternoon. After that, the panel will be sequestered to review the case and reach a unanimous decision. If found guilty, Combs could face significant legal penalties, including potential prison time and substantial financial damages. However, if acquitted, it may pave the way for the embattled mogul to attempt a return to public life and business ventures. The trial has drawn widespread media attention and prompted renewed discussions about power dynamics in the entertainment industry. Advocates for survivors of abuse have praised the court for taking the accusations seriously, while Combs supporters have criticized the process as biased and politically motivated. As the trial nears its conclusion, all eyes are on the jury. Their decision could mark a pivotal moment in both Combs' life and the broader conversation around accountability in celebrity culture.